And then we'll go to the siwak, where the importance of the siwak is that as soon as you use the siwak, it's a tremendous cleansing for the energy that's entering into the mouth. Means from everything that you're eating, drinking and breathing, it has an energy in it. The food doesn't have the energy, but the energy that attaching to that food is what's important. If the person was in a not clean state, in junub or in a non-clean state, and they're touching food, all of their badness is put upon that food. And as soon as you eat it, you begin to take that energy within your being. That's why Prophet described that safeguard where you eat, how you eat, who you eat from. If the person, when you're going out and going to restaurants and going to places, if the one serving you has no understanding of washing and they are in completely dirty state, you don't know what they've been doing, they put all of that state that they're in into the food and serve you from that energy. As soon as you put it into your mouth, you've now gathered that. The teeth that Allah are putting is the first line of defense that protects that body. Many times Ahlul Bayt, their teeth all crack from hasad, from the bad energy of people, because as this energy is going in, it's affecting the teeth. Exactly what goes in here has a direct correlation to the heart. So only now they found that plaque can cause heart disease. This Prophet was teaching 1500 years ago. Why the siwak? Is the siwak was not meant to be only toothbrush where they say, "Shaykh, no I have now big crest, I can use crest toothpaste." No, the wood and the siwak and the reality in the faqih fi qalbi wa shirk khafi was that take away the hypocrisy in my heart and the hidden shirk. It had nothing to do with brightening your teeth, but it had to do with energy, that as soon as you put the siwak into your mouth you immediately grounded the mouth. Whatever energies are flowing into the mouth, as soon as you put the siwak, it's wood. That wood is pulling the negative energy out so that that energy doesn't affect the heart. Most important, if before you're going to do amal, you're going to recite Qur'an, you're going to pray, and that's what Prophet described Allah giving the ajr and the reward of 27 times your salah if you use siwak. That's how Allah wanted to stress that reality, 27, because it's the bab and the door to paradise. Isra'ul Miraj on the 27th, Laylatul Qadr on the 27th. Allah then describing, this is the secret to that paradise. If there's an alim or someone who professes to know something and you see them talk and you see them pray and they don't use siwak, immediately come to your understanding they are not conscious of energy, they are not conscious of the realities of the soul, so they are not reaching states of perfection. Because this is an important sunnah that is the key to the heart. If the heart wants to open and they're not using siwak, how is it going to open? It's impossible, because everything they're eating and drinking is going in, and mainly from the ghadab and bad energy, anger. All of those energies go through the mouth and begin to affect the heart. So it means then the siwak and the importance of the siwak, we said like last night, it's not a fashion statement. Prophet gave everything as a perfection of energy.